Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Mikey, coming to you live this Friday. So I just got the notification on my phone just a moment ago, as you guys will see here. Confirms we just reached 5,000 subscribers on the channel. I can't believe we actually hit 5,000 subscribers. As you guys know, I've been working my heart and my soul, blood, sweat, and tears out on this channel, really improving it, really doing a much better job. Hopefully you guys have seen my flights improving, and I'm getting out there as much as I can with the weather and everything like that. But I want to say a huge thank you to all of the subscribers, obviously, every one of my viewers, every one of the people that watches all of my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys so very, very much. It's humbling to me. I can remember from the very beginning when we started out, and I was just getting a couple viewers, and then it was 100 subscribers, and then I was able to make a custom URL, and then after that it just kept growing and growing and growing, and I appreciate again each and every one of you guys. So in celebration of reaching 5,000 subscribers, guys, I am doing a very special giveaway. This giveaway is courtesy of tinywhoop.com. So I want to say a huge thank you to tinywhoop.com, all the guys over there, Adrian, Ben, and especially Mr. Tiny Whoop himself, Jesse Perkins. Thank you, Jesse, for providing our giveaway prizes. So the first set of motors we're going to be giving away, or it's not going to be any random order, but actually this is going to be second prize. This is going to be the NOS motors. These are the 7mm motors. And the grand prize is going to be awesome sauce motors. These are some of the best motors that they have. I also have a set of ultra sauce motors, and then I also have a set of the fastest 7mm motors out there. The last set of motors that I have are the special sauce, and I run these on my Alien Whoop, and they absolutely run phenomenal. And I'm going to be throwing in a Tiny Whoop Edition t-shirt. So on the back it says Tiny Whoop, and then on the front here it has a Tiny Whoop that is completely basically broken down. And so this is going to be first prize. Second prize is going to be for the Bald Eagle Sauce motors, and you will get a whole set of Tiny Whoop stickers. And then the third, fourth, and fifth place, you will get a set of motors, and everybody will also get a Tiny Whoop sticker, and you will also get a, of course, Evil Monkey sticker as well. So again, these are all provided courtesy of tinywhoop.com. So please make sure after you watch the video, go show tinywhoop.com some love for all your Tiny Whoop needs. So if you've been thinking about building a Tiny Whoop, or you need some Tiny Whoop motors, now's your chance. So here's how it's going to work. We'll have the Gleam app at the bottom of the video. So you'll have to click on the Gleam app. That will be your entry in there. Good luck on the contest. Keep watching my videos. I will keep making them for you guys. I enjoy sharing the FPV hobby with you guys. I enjoy making FPV videos, do DIYs, repairs, builds. Thank you guys. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you later.